Hi, this is Ty with Total Finishing Solutions coming to you from Paint Expo 2024. I'm here at the Wagner booth again with a new exciting product development. This is called active flushing. This is going to save you how much material? 70% of your flushing material is going to be eliminated. The innovation of the system is the lower replacement of the fluid section. You can see this is here. This has a pinch valve in it and a poppet valve on the top of it. This control box is essentially sending air signals to this new valve system, and we'll demonstrate what it does. Walking you through it, we're going to activate the pinch valve, and then our flushing solvent is going to come back through the suction hose, pushing back to the bucket. So we're step one, already eliminating all of that fluid and waste from the suction of the system. All right. So Marcus is going to walk us through starting the system, loading it as a typical ready to spray, and then flushing it. We have here two scales. Both of them are zeroed out, tiered out. So we're going to load the system. We'll show you how much material is then in the system by weight, and then we're going to flush the system, and we'll measure exactly by weight how much solvent material is used. Marcus, let's go ahead and load it up.
So thank you. Before we start the flushing process, we fill the entire system, and that's why we just take the regular operation of our piston pump, fill the system with paint, and we fill the pump, and then we fill the material hose with paint. See up there on this nice little hose, which is 15 meters long and has a quarter-inch diameter.
Okay, so you can now see all of the hoses are solid blue. We've circulated it through the fluid section, and this clear super filter is actually also filled, and then this would be our typical high-pressure hose out to the gun is filled. So we would be in normal spray operation mode at this point. So say we've completed operations, we're ready to go to a flush.
We have now 900 cc of material in the system, in the hoses, in the pump, in the filter, in the suction hose. And now, once we've done our coating job, we need to clean the system. But we do not only clean the system, we also recover the majority of the unused material in the system. And therefore, first I start with pressurized air to empty the suction hose, and second step is to empty the pump, and the pump may run, but it is not necessary to have the pump running. And now you see how the material is then pressed just by pressurized air through this ring of material.
So as of right now, we haven't used any solvent or water for flushing. We're only using compressed air to displace the current good paint that would be in the system. So just the air is pushing everything through the pump and through the hoses back to the original container. Right now everything's mostly out.
And now you see we have 900 cc in the system, and we recovered now 700 cc because 200 cc is left over in the system. Now we start the cleaning process. this dump container here. And now we do more or less the same as before. More or less the same as we did before, but just not only pressurized air, but pressurized air mixed with solvent. Exactly 1 liter of flushing fluid in the system, because we have this 200 cc of material in the system, so the rest is the rest of the material. And now finally I can clean I can dry the pump. That means I press out the rest of the material, the solvent fluid, but just by pressure. It's hier spannend. So that's yeah, it's just pressurized.